was a time when I sneezed, and my sneeze would give me a warning. You know, like I would sneeze, I'd be like that. No, my nose. Now my sneeze is fucking random, bro. The sneeze comes out when I'm doing the weirdest shit. I'm like getting the garbage to throw. I go, okay! And I sneezed about 2 weeks ago and I got a fucking stroke. That never happened to me before. Like it was so far, it was so like unexcited. And my hand, my whole left side was killing me, bro. One sneeze and I was like, that babe! I fucking sneezed a stroke, bro. My fucking arm. My arm don't... Give me the Vicks. Give me the Vicks, but no pa'l brazo. Because look, the hand, bro. She never believes it. What happened to you? I said, I fucking sneezed, mira. My whole left side don't want to work, bro. My fucking...